You go. Yeah, you go. Well, yeah, weapon, me hand. Here is my people, right? Kizomba, Canada people. It's really hard in Montreal right now. Me and all got a choreography of Kuduro, Poktois, okay? And it's about what? Yes. Let's go, my boy. All right, ladies, we here. Let's practice first. No, we're gonna do 3 times, all right? 3 times, all right. May the Lord be with you.
Excellent. Everything's looking great.
How was that one? All right. Tell them, young people, now we're the new young, all right? How old we were? We are very young years old, all right? There we go. Last one, all right? Yeah. The new young people, there we go. That's one of us. Oh, shit. Okay, but let's do it again, all right? Because we can, all right? Yeah, first mistake, all right? First mistake, yeah, he's a young mind, all right? He's a young mind make mistakes, all right? There you go. All right, last one. Now, wait, from the top. Here we go.